In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable in Getting Started tutorial. We'll walk through setting up your first workspace, defining the right columns, adding your information, and exploring the views that make Airtable so flexible. Start by creating a base. After you log in, click the plus add a base button. Think of a base as a home for one project or process. You can start from scratch, but if you're new, choosing a template is a great shortcut. Templates come preloaded with sample fields and views, so you can see how everything fits together. Pick one that's close to your needs, give your base a clear name so you can find it later, and open it up. Next, set up your fields, which are the columns in your table. At the far right of your columns, click the plus sign to add a new field. Choose a specific type to keep your data clean. Use a checkbox for simple yes or no tracking. Select date when you want a calendar-friendly date that Airtable can understand. Attachment is perfect for uploading files like images or PDFs and keeping them tied to the right record. Single select lets you define a list of allowed choices, which prevents typos and keeps labels consistent. Customize options, colors, and formatting so entries stay uniform. It's usually best to pick the correct type early. Changing later may require a little cleanup. Now add your data. You can type directly into the cells and press tab to move across, or quickly copy and paste from an existing spreadsheet. If you're pasting, line up your columns first, then paste blocks of rows. Give everything a quick spot check, especially dates and select fields, to make sure the values landed in the right place. Finally, use Views, Airtable's superpower, to look at the same data from different angles. Open the Views menu on the left. Grid is the familiar spreadsheet-style layout for editing lots of records quickly. Kanban displays your records as movable cards, great for stages in a pipeline or task status. It works best when it's grouped by a single select field. Calendar plots your records on a monthly or weekly calendar, as long as you point it to a date field. Form creates a shareable link so people can submit entries that flow directly into your table. That's the quick start. Create a base, set up fields thoughtfully, add your data, and switch views to match the job.